Let me show you why the Porsche GT3 Touring is perfect for your next road trip. The Touring package of the 992 GT3 has been a fan favorite among the Porsche community. With only 650 units being produced, it takes all the power and fun from the regular GT3, but makes a few well-appreciated aesthetic changes, as well as adds a 7-speed double-clutch PDK. One of the obvious aesthetic changes is the rear wing delete. It makes for a timeless, classy look that is for the people who just don't want to stand out too much. This particular example was produced in 2022 with only 1,200 miles on the odometer. It comes in a beautiful GT silver metallic with yellow accents all the way from the brake calipers to the chronograph on the interior. It has a 6-speed manual transmission and has an extended range fuel tank so that you can stay on the road for longer. Moving to the interior of the car, you have leather through and through with yellow contrast stitching that really pops. You have leather sport seats with a cloth center as well as yellow seat belts. You have leather on the steering wheel, you have leather on the gear knob, you have a Bose surround sound, and then you have no cage in the back so you can fit all of your road trip snacks. With 500 horsepower and all the creature comforts you could ask for, could you see this being your next road trip car? And if you're interested in more cars like this, go ahead and follow us at 911R at Bring It Trailer so you can get notified for all our future listings.